Good morning, student. Welcome to online class. Every day you would be attending the online classes and doing the homework of the day. Take your notebook, pen, pencil, and eraser with you. Let's start with phonics. In phonics class today we are going to read a short passage with short vowel sounds. Let's start. This is marvelous, said Mrs. Rita. All students looked up, curious to see the marvelous object. And what did they see? On the table was a glorious model of a foam. It had numerous shafts to shower water. It had various crops flourishing. Who made this? Asked Miss Rita. I did, said Sona. Mrs. Rita encouraged her to come in front. Everyone clapped for Sona. Take 5 minutes, all of you read and practice. Student, shall we move to whole words? Yes. Today we are going to recap the whole words that we learned in the previous class. Wonder. Wonder means a person or thing regarded as very good, remarkable, or effective. Named. When you give a name to someone or somebody. Stopped. When you have finished continuing, it means stopped. Things. An object which does not have a name. Didn't means did not. Now, all of you open your notebook. Write these words one time. Student, you are finished? Next, we will move to reading and listening comprehension. Can you identify who's this? Very good. Isaac Newton. In the previous class, we learned the short video story about Isaac Newton. The same thing we are going to repeat in the reading and listening comprehension also. First, I will recap that video story. Isaac Newton was born in Lincolnshire, England in 1643, where he grew up on a farm. When he was a boy, he made lots of brilliant inventions like a windmill to grind corn, a water clock, and sundial. However, Isaac did not brilliant marks at school. When he was 18, Isaac went to study at Cambridge University. He was very interested in physics, mathematics, and astronomy. But in 1665, the Great Plague, which was a terrible disease, spread in England, and Cambridge University had to close down. Isaac returned home to the farm. He continued studying and experimenting at home. One day he was drinking a cup of tea in the garden. He saw an apple fall from the tree. He think, why do apples fall down instead of up? From this he formed the theory of gravity. Gravity is an invisible force that pulls the object towards the earth and keeps the planets moving around the sun. Then Isaac was fascinated by light. He discovered that white light is in fact made up of oil. He also invented a special reflecting telescope using mirrors. It was much more powerful than others' telescope. Isaac made another very important discovery which he called his three laws of motions. These laws explains how objects move. Isaac's laws are still used today for sending rockets into space. Thanks to his discoveries, Isaac became rich and famous. However, he had a bad temper and often argued with other scientists. Isaac Newton died in 1727, aged 85. He was buried along with English kings and queens in Westminster Abbey, London. He was one of the greatest scientists and mathematicians who has ever lived. Students, do you all clear with this story? Today we are going to find the main idea of the video. For that, first you want to draw this column. All of you, now open your notebook. Draw this house first. Student, you are finished? Main idea is what the passage is telling is about the topic. You all clear, children? Main idea is that the passage is telling us about the topic. Details are things in the passage that support the main idea. Okay, now I will give 10 minutes, write the details and find the main idea of the video story. If you want time, pause the video, finish it, then you can check it. Isaac Newton was born in Isaac Newton was born in Lincolnshire, England in 1643, where he grew up on a farm. Then I write it. Isaac made one very important discovery which he called the three laws of motion. The third column, he discovered that white light is in fact made up of all the colors of the rainbow. The important points we want to write it in these three columns, the detailed columns. Then you want to write the main idea is Isaac's life and his important discoveries. In this lesson we learn about Isaac Newton's life and his important discoveries also. So that one is the main idea. Students, do you all clear? Good. The main idea of the video is Isaac's life and his important discoveries. That important points we want to write it. Isaac Newton was born in Lincolnshire, England in 1643, where he grew up on a farm. He made one very important discovery which he had the three laws of motion. He discovered that white light is in fact made up of all the colors of the rainbow. Then you can write the theory of gravity. That is also you can write it. Next, I am going to ask some questions about video based. Where was Newton born? Newton was born in England. Where did he study at 18 years of age? He studied at Cambridge University. Which disease affected England? Yes, plague affected England. It was caused by rat. What did Isaac do after returning home from the university? He continued studying and experimenting in the home itself. Now open your notebook. Now you want to answer for this question. What question formed the theory of gravity? What was Isaac's laws used for in space? How did Isaac become rich and famous? Where was Isaac buried? After he died, where his body was buried? Then complete the sentence. Laws of motion explain dash. Take 5 minutes to complete these questions. Student, shall we check the answers? If not, pause the video, complete it, then you can move to the next one. What question formed the theory of gravity? Why do apples fall down and not up? ஏன் ஆப்பிள்லாம் வந்து கீழே விழுகுது, மேலே போகாமல் மரத்திலிருந்து விழுகிறப்ப கீழே விழுகாமல் மேலே போகாமல் ஏன் கீழே விழுகுது அப்படின்னு அவர் திங்க் பண்ணதுனால தான் எதை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாரு? தியரி ஆஃப் கிராவிட்டியை வந்து கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கிறாரு. வாட் ஆர் ஐசக்ஸ் லாஸ் யூஸ்ட் ஃபார் இன் ஸ்பேஸ்? அவருடைய லா வந்து ஸ்பேஸில் எதுக்காக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்குறோம்? எஸ், சென்டிங் ராக்கெட்ஸ் டு ஸ்பேஸ். How did Isaac become rich and famous? He became rich and famous because of his discoveries. அவருடைய கண்டுபிடிப்புனால தான் நல்லா ரிச்சாகவும் ஃபேமஸாகவும் ஆயிருக்கிறார். Where was Isaac buried? He was buried in London. Laws of motion explain how objects move. Do you check the answers? Good. Next we will move to the grammar part. Students, do you all clear how do you want to find the main idea of the story? Yeah. First you want to write the important details, then you want to find out the main idea of the story. Now we will move to the grammar part. Let us make our own sentence by looking at the picture. In the previous class, we learned the structure of the sentence. Yes or no? Today you are going to make the own sentence, your own sentence. See the picture and you want to make the own sentence. What can you tell about the picture? See the picture. You want to answer for this question. The question we will not ask. You want to ask this question yourself. Do you ask the question yourself? Who can we see? What are they doing? How are they doing it? A woman and a woman. Clear? What are they doing? They are dancing. See the symbol, they are singing and they are dancing. How are they doing it? Very good. They are singing happily. Next, we want to find out the subject, verb and adverb. Subject, a man and a woman. They are doing the action. So, a man and a woman are subject. What action they are doing? Very good. Dancing. So dancing is the verb. Adverb. We want to describe the verb. Dancing happily. So happily is the adverb. Let's put this information in the table given below as a sentence. SVAD. A man and a woman are dancing happily. Subject is in plural form. So helping verb are. Subject is singular. The helping verb will be is. You are clear? Now we will look at some more pictures. Write these sentences for this picture in your notebook and check your answers. I think all of you ready with your notebook and pen. Very good. Now observe the picture carefully. First write the subject, then verb, then adverb. Do you finish? Good. The boys. Two person. So the boys. Here plural form. So helping verb is are. What they are doing? Yeah, very good. Climbing. How they are climbing? Quickly. Like this way you want to make a sentence. Next, observe the picture. First write the subject, you are finished. Write the verb, then adverb. The girl. I already told. Girl, singular, subject will very good. Yes. What that girl is doing? Skating. Confidently. The girl is skating confidently. You can use any adverbs. Carefully, nicely. Like that you can write any adverbs. Without mistake you won't write it. Next. Subject, verb. Then you want to write the adverb. You'll finish. The boy and the dog are playing nicely. Don't repeat the word happily, happily. We will use different words, different adverbs. The boy and the dog are playing. Happily is also correct. To improve, we want to use different adjectives. Next one. Do you finish subject, verb, then adverb. The grandmother is reading lovingly. Do you clear, children? How do you want to make a sentence? Good. Next we will move to writing and speaking expression. All of you open your notebook. In the previous class itself, I asked you draft and edit the paragraph. About which topic? Do you all remember that one? Yeah, solar system. Today you are going to publish your article. Take the new page. Now start to write it. The handwriting must be neat and clear. Use cursive writing. It helps you to write faster. Then formation of sentence should be correct. Take 10 minutes to publish your article. Good children, after finishing, then you can note your homework. Today's homework, SR1 phonics words. Learn well and write one time. Then send it in Elga 12 group. Thank you.